Did you know that the blue light from your screens doesn't just disrupt your sleep, it creates tiny, damaging particles called free radicals that accumulate in your eyes all day long? This constant assault contributes to digital eye strain, dryness, and the gradual decline of your vision. But what if you could flood your system with a targeted army of defenders right before bed, empowering your body to neutralize this damage and repair your eyes while you sleep? The solution is far simpler and more delicious than you might think. By drinking one of 4 specific juices in the evening, you can provide your body with the exact nutrients it craves for ocular repair during its most restorative phase. When you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode. It's like a nightly maintenance crew that fixes the wear and tear of the day, but this crew needs the right tools to work effectively. For your eyes, those tools are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the delicate retinal cells and support the structures responsible for your vision. The first juice on our list is a classic for a reason: pure carrot juice. It's incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is absolutely essential for good vision. It's a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low light. A deficiency in vitamin A can even lead to night blindness, making this juice a powerful ally for your retinal health. Next, we have tart cherry juice. This deep red drink is a double agent for eye health. First, it's one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Why does that matter? Deeper, more quality sleep means a more efficient and longer duration for your body's repair processes. Second, tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins. These are the antioxidants that give the juice its vibrant color, and they are renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe tired, strained eyes. Our third powerhouse is a green juice made with kale and spinach. The magic here lies in 2 compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of these as internal sunglasses. They accumulate in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision, and act as a filter, protecting the delicate retinal cells from the harmful effects of blue light. A study in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture highlighted that regular consumption of these nutrients is strongly linked to a reduced risk of age-related eye issues. Finally, don't underestimate a fresh glass of orange juice. Its high vitamin C content is a crucial antioxidant for the eyes. Vitamin C helps regenerate other antioxidants, like vitamin E, and it's vital for producing collagen, a protein that provides structure to the cornea and sclera, the white of your eye. This helps maintain the structural integrity of your eye, keeping it strong and healthy. To put this into practice, choose one of these juices and enjoy a small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces, roughly 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. This gives your body time to begin absorbing the nutrients without interrupting your sleep with a full bladder. Remember, the goal is 100% pure, unsweetened juice to avoid unnecessary sugar. Consistency is the true key here. Making this a regular part of your nightly wind-down routine allows these protective nutrients to build up in your system, offering sustained defense and repair. Your eyes work tirelessly for you from the moment you wake up. Giving them this nightly boost is one of the simplest and most effective ways to say thank you and ensure they stay healthy for years to come. If you're ready to take this simple step for your eye health, we'd love for you to join our community. Subscribe for more science-backed tips to effortlessly upgrade your wellness every single day.